Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappie by the lake, so check it out. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today for our appetizer, we got some muskmelon and prosciutto. Get the salty and the sweet. And we're gonna do a drink to go with that. This drink comes from the Clover Club in Brooklyn, New York. And it's a Trader Vic's sour. So the woman that basically came up with the template for this is Jelani Johnson from the Clover Club in Brooklyn, and I'm getting this from the book Easy Tiki by Frechette. And of course Trader Vic is Vic Bergeron from the famous Trader Vic's Tiki bars. The original, I believe, was in Oakland, and it was possibly the second tiki bar in America. So basically she just came up with a template for Trader Vic's sour. She actually gives 3 different options. You can do bourbon, scotch, or brandy. We're going to do bourbon today, and I'm going to use some Jack Daniels. So this is a shaken drink. Go a little bit of ice, and that's 2 ounces of Jack Daniels. Again, you can use scotch, bourbon, brandy, and 3/4 ounces of fresh lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of Orgeat. Orgeat's just a almond simple syrup, and that's a 1/2 ounce, and then a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and then we'll give that a shake. Some ice in the glass. And I'm going to strain that on in. Got a nice lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's a Trader Vic's sour from the Clover Club in Brooklyn, New York, to go with my prosciutto and muskmelon appetizer. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Thanks for watching. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.